Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today, I am sharing the indoor portion of my back patio. It is like a Florida room or glassed-in space. So, if you're interested in seeing this tour of this space, just keep on watching. I shared this beautiful 8x10 rug in a recent haul that I purchased from Ross for $69.99. It's made by Tommy Bahama. I've already placed it down in my sitting area of this patio, and I was blessed to come across another one in another Ross for this side of my patio. This is like a mini home gym to us, as you can see. We need to do a little pickup here. Here is the other rug that I found. I am loving the pattern on this rug. It is so beautiful to me. And to find another one is truly a blessing when it comes to Ross items, right? So calling my heavy hitters, my hubby and my grandson to help move all of this gym or exercising equipment. All equipment has been moved to the other side, and here comes the rug. And here is our home gym setup. It is amazing how little cleaning and something new to a space can transform it, right? Just by placing this rug in this space gave it a new look. Everything I need is in this space. My yeast-soled exercising bike, my super fit treadmill. I have a weight organizer, which I am going to complete real soon. I need to buy more weights. To the left is my Ops Decor weight bench that my grandson absolutely loves. And we also have a punching bag in this space. Everything you see here gives us a good workout. We also had a mini split or a AC place back here to keep us cool, and we love it. So we can enjoy this space in all seasons. This is the other rug in my sitting area, and it looks so beautiful here. On this side of my back patio, I'm giving a nod to my Tuscan vibes, a little bit of modern, and a little bit of traditional style. Yes, I love mixing different styles, and I do what feels good to me. I live in this space, and my family lives in this space. So if they love it and I love it, that's all that matters. This furniture set I've had for over 10 years, and it comes from Sam's Club, and I'll never get rid of it. It is in very good condition. The only thing is I keep putting off getting some cushions for this set, and the sizing is so odd, but I am going to do it. Maybe not this year, but for next year I am going to replace these cushions. The striped pillow covers, they came from Amazon, as well as the blue and the blessed pillow covers. You see Mr. Turtle? He's been with me for over 10 years as well, from Kirkland's. And Kirkland's, I've seen him in there recently. The plant in the corner is from Hobby Lobby. Needed to bring something green in this space to liven it up. This end table is also from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if they still carry this or not. I really wish Hobby Lobby and other stores, let me put it that way, would bring back some Tuscan decor. This lamp was a thrifted find, as well as that candle holder on that end table. My grandson and I absolutely love this egg chair. We spend a lot of time in it watching TV or just reading a book. And we get a little snuggle time in as well. This coffee table is actually a fire pit table that we purchased from Walmart. I love placing these candles on this table. I shop my home for pretty much all of the decor, the tray from Walmart years ago. The white bowl that you see the florals in, also from Walmart. And I do think they have that bowl in stores this year. The floral bouquets in the bowl came from Amazon as a set of 2. So my grandson and I, we're sitting back here watching Peppa Pig. I'm going to share with you next the bar cart. I just have it set up, no food or anything. It's just ready to entertain. I have this dispenser that I just recently hauled, this 2-tiered dispenser from Walmart by Better Homes and Gardens. I absolutely love this because I can serve 2 different drinks. I also love having this 3-tiered stand here. I've had that for many, many years. And I have a small fire pit. So if I want to do s'mores on a small scale, we could. On the bottom shelf, I have my prop water and some dishes that I picked up from Home Goods this past year, along with a blue tray, a kitchen towel. I already had those, as well as those beautiful blue wine goblets from Dollar Tree many, many moons ago. Guys, this is a look at my indoor portion of my back patio for this summer 2025. I hope that this video is inspirational to you, and you maybe can use some of these ideas in your home. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.